Boost your critical thinking skills with these expert tips. In today's world, critical thinking is your key to success, helping you navigate through misinformation and biases. First, always question the source of your information. Is it reliable or is it biased in some way? Next, practice active listening. It's not just about hearing, but understanding the underlying arguments and assumptions. Then, engage in discussions with diverse groups. Different perspectives can challenge and refine your thinking processes. Develop a habit of reflecting on your decisions. What worked, what didn't, and why. This introspection is invaluable. Lastly, embrace uncertainty. Not all questions have clear answers, and being comfortable with ambiguity can enhance your critical thinking. By incorporating these tips, you'll not only sharpen your critical thinking skills but also become a more effective problem solver.